Hello, geometry students. Welcome back to our notes. Today we've got volumes of pyramids and cones. As you can see here, we've got our formula for a pyramid or cone. Same thing. V equals 1/3 capital BH. Just want to remember what those stand for. 1/3 times the area of the base times the height of the pyramid or cone. And that distinction comes whenever there is a height of the base, we're going to use that, but then the height of the pyramid or cone is different than what's used to find the height of the base or the area of that base. All right, so here's our first example. We've got a square pyramid, and we're going to find the volume. So volume equals 1/3 capital BH. And as always, I want to find that capital B. I want to find that H. All right. My base is a rectangle. It's actually a square, but 3 by 3. So 3 times 3 is going to give me 9 for the area of my base. And then for my height, we can see it doesn't give it to us, right? My height will be from the very top to the very middle. So that's where the height would be. Okay? I can connect that back with the actual slant height that it gives me. And this makes a right triangle inside of my pyramid, and so I can find the height from there. If one side is 3, that gives me 1.5 on that right triangle. And then I'm going to find this. The difference from what in the past was, if we're solving for the slant height, that's side C, we're solving for the height here that's not side C. So to find that, let me go ahead and redraw that triangle just so we can see it as well. Okay, here's our height. We've got 1.5 on the bottom, and then 3.4 on side C. So solving for side A or B. So I'm going to write out h squared plus 1.5 squared will be equal to 3.4 squared. All right, h squared plus 2.25 is equal to 11.56. And then if I subtract the 2.25 over, I have h squared equals 9.31. All right, I'm going to leave that as exact as possible. So if I take the square root of both sides, h is the square root of 9.31. So that would be my height of the triangle. I'm sorry, height of the pyramid right there. So there's the height. There's my area of base. Plug them in. 1/3 times 9 times the square root of 9.31. Now in this case, I can find the area of the base times the height and then just divide it by 3 since I'm just multiplying all those together. But in the calculator, I usually type in the 1/3 times 9 times the square root of 9.31. And I get an answer of 9.2 centimeters cubed since we're still in volume. All right, pretty simple, I hope, for you to see. Then if we have a cylinder, I'm sorry, this is a cone, we're going to do the same thing. Volume equals 1/3 capital BH. And what I would like for you to do here is to pause the video, you solve this out, and then once you've solved it out, replay the video. I'm just going to do it silently, and then you can compare your answer with my answer, and hopefully we got the same thing. Notice there I went ahead and multiplied pi into the answer, and that's where I had my square root into that as well. I always type this directly into the calculator, unless it said give me the answer in terms of pi. All right, so we've got a cone, we've got a pyramid, finding volume of those. Again, hopefully that wasn't too complicated for us, and it makes sense based on everything we've already done. Don't forget your WSQ. I will see you guys in class. Have a great day.